According to the Director of Public Prosecutions, there is sufficient evidence to sustain terrorism charges against Rwenzururu King Charles Wesley Mumbere and 13 of his royal guards before the International Crimes Division. The International Crimes Division of the High Court, that started in 2008, is in charge of war crimes and crimes against humanity. Prosecution led by Senior State Attorney Racheal Bikhole says Mumbere, who has been the king of the Bakonjo since 2009, unlawfully trained and equipped his royal guards with military skills and rewarded them with ranks based on their loyalty to him. The skills were allegedly used to carry out attacks on the Bamba, another ethnic group in the Rwenzururu sub-region. Prosecution also alleges that on the 9th of March 2016, Mumbere commanded the attack on Kidondo Police Booth, murdered a police constable, Geoffrey Kasimba, and threatened to take lives of 8 others. Mumbere and his co-accused also face charges of murder and aggravated robbery. Mumbere and the committed guards now await trial at the next convenient session of the International Crimes Division. Earlier, Mumbere appeared before Jinja High Court Judge Eva Ruswata, who threw out the DPP's request to have the King's bail application transferred to the International Crimes Division. On Monday this week, the DPP, Mike Chibita, requested that Mumbere's bail application is heard before ICD court, since it's the only court with the jurisdiction to try terrorism, which is one of the offenses Mumbere is charged with. Justice Eva Ruswata dismissed the DPP's request on grounds that Mumbere had not yet been committed for trial before the ICD, and therefore he was at liberty to apply for bail before any High Court judge.
Release on bail shall be at any stage of the proceedings, including pre-committal period. Therefore, the applicant would qualify to apply and have his bail application heard before me. In my view, by filing this application in this court, the applicant is ready to plead his release on bail, and it would be prejudicial and a violation of his constitutional right to due process to have the application transmitted to yet another court to hear the bail application. My decision should not be interpreted to hinder any future plans of the DPP, if they deem fit, to present the applicant for trial in the ICD. Accordingly, the objection made for the respondent is overruled, and the bail application may go to hearing.
The judge will rule on Mumbere's bail application on Friday. Habad Ziwa, NTV.